Hello, my name is Pisit Koolplukpol. My nickname is Geng. My ID is 4024.
Hello, my name is Achiraya Rattana-arpon. My nickname is Achi. My ID is 4031.
Hello, my name is Petcharawut Marayawate. My name is S. My ID is 4026.
Our project name is Power of Sound. Why we have to do this project? Because it's to apply our knowledge that we have learned in class. We use MATLAB to help us to do this project. We found that our tone of our sound are different. Then we think that we will find the power of our sound that who have the most and less power of sound.
What is our project that we interested in? Talking is what we have been seeing every day. We have seen that everybody's sounds are so different. Someone may have the big sound, but someone may not. Our sounds too. That's why we interested in our sound and want to make the project about it. We found that it has the way to find the power of sounds. So our project will be to find the power of each person's sounds and compare that whose sound has the most power of sound.
What we are going to do with our project? First, we will record our voice of each member in group. Second, we bring our voice into MATLAB. Third, we will show the graph our voice and find out the equation from graph. And last, we use our equation to calculate the power by using the formula P equal 1 over T integrate from minus T over 2 to T over 2 absolute xt power 2 dt. This is progress of our project of the beginning.